boys and girls, and welcome to my channel. I am Miss Kim, and today I have a wonderful story to read to you about a little pig named Olivia and her friends. They want to have a boat race, but there's a problem. There's no water in the pond. What kind of ideas do you think Olivia and her friends will come up with? Well, let's begin our story in Olivia and the Rain Dance. What do you think they're going to try? This book is written by Michael Stern, illustrated by Guy Wolick. Olivia, Ian, and Francine are going to the park. They will have a boat race. Whoa, now that sounds like lots of fun. Hey, where is the water? Asked Ian. It has not rained in weeks, says Mr. Greengrass. It might not rain again for a long time. Oh no. They have to have water for a boat race, don't they? Well, let's just see what kind of ideas they come up with. If only I could control the weather, says Olivia. That gives Olivia an idea. I wonder. We can make it rain, she says. Olivia and Francine and Ian dress up for a rain dance. Look at their dress-up clothes they put on. Do you think they're going to make it rain? Let's see. Just do what I do, says Olivia. Reach to the sky. Now spin like a top. Oh, it looks like fun anyway, doesn't it? And now just do whatever you want, says Olivia. Drip, drop. It is working, cries Olivia. Wow, do you see the drips coming down? Look at that. Do you think it's working? Or is something else going on? Well, let's see. It is only Ian, says Francine. But Ian gives Olivia an idea. We can fill up the pond with the hose, she says. Olivia, Ian, and Francine pull and pull and pull. Look at them. They're working hard pulling on that hose. But the hose is not long enough. Pull harder, says Olivia. Francine drops the hose. Olivia and Ian go flying. Oops, sorry, cries Francine. Oh no. Olivia has another idea. Water balloons. How will we get all of these water balloons to the pond? Asked Francine. Olivia smiles. She knows just what to do. Oh wow, look what she's invented. She came up with this. Ready, aim, fire, she commands. Wow, look at that. She came up with a catapult. She's gonna toss those balloons. Let's see what happens. Splat! We cannot have a boat race without water, says Ian. Olivia sees Connor go by on his skateboard. She knows just what to do. We can have a boat race without water. Wow! What do you think she came up with? Sounds like a good idea. Let's see. Follow me, says Olivia. Welcome to Olivia's first annual toy boat race on dry land, says Olivia. Boys and girls, what did she attach the boats to? Look at that. That's right. She used skateboards. Go, Ian. Go, Francine. Go, Olivia. It is a three-way tie. Then, boom, it starts to thunder. Then it starts to rain. Wow. Look at the sky, got dark, and now it's starting to rain. It is still raining at bedtime. Olivia smiles. They can have a water boat race tomorrow. That's right, Olivia. Boys and girls, that was such a cute book. And wow, Olivia came up with all kinds of ideas to try, didn't she? And then she saw her friend go by on a skateboard. Whoa, what a good idea. Now they had a boat race on land. And that turned out pretty good. And then it started to rain. So I bet you tomorrow they're going to have a boat race, aren't they, in the pond. What a fun story. Boys and girls, thank you for joining me today in this book, Olivia and the Rain Dance. And remember, a good book and your imagination will take you anywhere. Until next time, bye.